Hello and welcome back to Ajay's Thromani Guru, where we provide you with the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. I'm Ria, and today we are dissecting a monumental decision from the US Federal Reserve, one that is sending ripples through every major market, from equities to bullion. The Fed signals a policy shift. Yesterday, 11th December 2025, the US Federal Reserve announced its third consecutive interest rate cut for this year. The benchmark federal funds rate is now set to a new target range of 3.50% to 3.75%, a 25 basis point reduction. This strategic move brings borrowing costs to their lowest level in nearly 3 years and officially signals a more accommodative stance by the central bank. This pivotal policy adjustment is primarily driven by two critical concerns. Firstly, the FOMC noted that while price pressures have certainly moderated, inflation still lingers stubbornly above its crucial 2% objective. Secondly, and perhaps more urgently, Fed Chair Jerome Powell highlighted significant downside risks that are beginning to face the labor market, suggesting the central bank is acting to preempt a sharper economic slowdown. Dissecting the market uncertainty. While the rate cut itself was largely anticipated by the market, a closer look at the policy decision reveals a deeply divided committee. The vote reflected sharp internal differences, with some officials wanting to hold interest rates steady and others pushing for a more aggressive 50 basis point reduction. This distinct split underscores the core of the market's uncertainty. The Fed is not on a preset course, and future actions will be entirely data-dependent. The Fed's latest projections tentatively pencil in just one additional rate cut for the entirety of 2026. However, market expectations, based on futures pricing, are notably more aggressive, anticipating 2 or more cuts next year. This disparity between the Fed's cautious guidance and the market's bullish expectations is a critical tension point traders must watch. Commodity impact, the gold and silver surge. Now, let's turn to how this decision immediately impacts the commodities that matter most to you. Historically, a rate cut is unequivocally bullish for precious metals like gold and silver. The logic is twofold. Firstly, lower US interest rates make the US dollar less attractive relative to other global currencies, causing the dollar to soften. A weaker dollar makes dollar-denominated commodities like gold and silver cheaper for international buyers, immediately boosting demand. Secondly, since gold and silver are non-yielding assets, the opportunity cost of holding them diminishes significantly when US Treasury yields and interest rates fall. This dynamic encourages a flow of investor capital out of fixed-income assets and into safe haven bullion. Following the announcement, we immediately saw gold and silver prices surge, with silver hitting a fresh short-term high. Firstly, the FOMC noted that while price pressures have certainly moderated, inflation still lingers stubbornly above its crucial 2% objective. Secondly, and perhaps more urgently, Fed Chair Jerome Powell highlighted significant downside risks that are beginning to face the labor market, suggesting the central bank is acting to preempt a sharper economic slowdown. Will the momentum in gold and silver continue unabated? Or will the Fed's lingering caution halt the rally prematurely? The coming months could see a critical shift in the US Federal Reserve's policy trajectory. For our advanced, proprietary analysis on how this rate cut will specifically influence crude oil, copper, and your precious metal trades, giving you the analytical edge you need, please contact us. Our number is displayed on your screen and in the description box below. Connect with us for advanced analysis to confidently navigate this volatile and pivotal period. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Ajay's Thromani Guru for more market-moving insights, and I'll see you in the next video.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झाग, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।